guys, I'm Stephen. Thank you for tuning into our daily dog adventure with the big gang on Wednesday the 6th of April. We're back in a familiar location. Please don't be put off by the scenery in the background. We've came here for a very specific reason. The last couple of days, I'll talk about that on a different video. For today we've got 8 dogs. We've got Ted at my bum growling because my treat bag is close to the ground and they all want a bit of it. But I'll introduce you to everyone and show you all the fun we're going to have as we go. Stay with us. We have the GoPro again. Maybe attach it to Pablo's backside once more. See what fun we can get out of it. Stay tuned. Good Lottie. Good, you two. Well done. Good Maloney. Good boy. Where's my good boy? Hey, where's my good boy? Good girl. Blossom. Blossom. Should we call this Blossom Hill? Do you think we'll get sponsorship? What do you think, guys? Good idea? Bad idea? Blossom Hill? Anyone? Anyone? Going once, twice, sold. Let's get in a drink. Good Max, you had muddy paws. Who else has got muddy paws? Ted. Good boy. Have you got muddy paws, Max? Have you got muddy paws, Blossy? Have you got muddy paws, Maloney? Yes, you do. Good boy. Good, you guys. What a bunch. One thing that's quite apparent from bumping into people who don't always use this place is that the people we're bumping into that are not used to seeing this group of dogs are jumping out of their skin when they realise that we're so close to them. And the reason that we're getting so close to them without them noticing is because they're just so quiet. Stealth dogs. Yes, well done everyone. Okay, Blossy. Good, you guys. Alright guys, that's us heading back to the van now. Thank you very much for watching. We've done just under 5k. Dogs have had a good time. They've been very well behaved. We've met one of my neighbours, had a bit of fun with them, and we're heading home now. If you've enjoyed this one, remember, like, comment, subscribe and share, and we'll see you on the next walk. Take care.